Imam, anyị na-ekwu ihe gbasara ndị Fulani, ụfọdụ na-aghọtaghị m. O nwere ụfọdụ na-asị na onwe ihe dịka na ihe niile na-eme n'ala Igbo akpọrọ Fulani awụcha Fulani. Ụfọdụ wuo ụmụ Igbo anyị mere ya. Ụfọdụ kwa na-achọghị ikwe na enwere Fulani na-emedo ọpụrụ n'ala Igbo na ọnwụ ihe niile ụmụ Igbo. Ụfọdụ kwa nsịkwanụ na ọwụ ụmụ Igbo na ndị Fulani. Ụfọdụ kwa nsịkwanụ na ọ bụ ndị Fulani na-eme n'ụmụ Igbo na-eme. Mụnwa, based on the information available to me, ụmụ Igbo so arụga ala nke Osoludo activity emego ha expose. He has exposed them. Ụmụ Igbo, I repeat, ụmụ Igbo so na-arụ ala. Ndị Fulani nọ na-arụ ala nke ha. Mana I still stand on the opinion why ndị Fulani ka ji nọrọ na-arụ ala na-epu eze elu n'ala Igbo bụ na ndị Igbo na-eme ha ya na-aga. Kedu ihe mmiri? Isida na ndị Igbo so ha na-asị onye ori adịghị abịa ma ọ bụ na onye nwe ule so ya, ma ọ bụkwanụ na ndị Igbo gbachiri nkịtị ha nwa na-eme operate. Because any day ndị Igbo ga-asị enough is enough, enough got enough. Biko were kene anya gị take it and watch kene this video mgbe m chọrọ igi nke a ka ndị this style of kidnapping with the highest nwotogoro kamgbe. Biko gegere ntị ihe this Fulani boy kwuru. Ihe ịdụ na this boy will shock you to your marrow. Then ọ nwere ike cha be believe her na ndị Fulani a nwere mission, then man ishi adịcha gị mma. Get this video. I'm very shocked.
Good morning, Nigerians. I am in my hometown, Anegbete, in Esako Central Local Government. This is the net these kidnappers put on the highway so that when the vehicle or when any vehicle is coming, the net will just enter the vehicle, roll the tires, and probably the vehicle will not be able to run again, and the kidnappers will just come automatically. They will block the person and they will kidnap the person. So as at last night, there is this Fulani kidnapper, a boy, it's a Fulani by tribe, as I'm seeing him, because they have spoken to him. He said he's Fulani. Him and his gang, they tried to kidnap somebody who was coming to Anegbete last night. And the person, knowing fully well that things like that are about to happen, when he entered the net, he started driving with speed. And the speed was able to cut off the net, but one of them jumped on the vehicle, dragging the steering with the guy. And the man drove with speed and he brought the guy to Anegbete because the guy held the vehicle very tight. When he brought the vehicle to Anegbete, fortunately, the vigilante group were able to block them. They were on duty. They were able to block. I think that's the chairman, it's Mr. Monday Sigala. The vigilante group, they were on duty. And they blocked them that last night. And they were able to apprehend the guy. I'm going there right now. People will see the Fulani guy we are talking about. Funny enough, the funniest thing now is this. That when this guy was apprehended last night, he has been boasting that he has been to area command and that they have always released him. That criminals will never finish in Nigeria. And that no matter how they torture him, he is not going to say anything. So now you say no matter waiting police do, you not go talk anything, Abi? You not go talk. And you go continue to the thief. You now continue to the kidnap people. Now so. You not going to do like that.
They no go fit come, ma.
The head.
Even though they carry anything, they no go fit come.
They no go fit come where una dey.
They no fit shop that money. They no fit carry am. They go kill Bature.
How many of una?
Now the one Jalil with my own second one. Now 3 will be.
Which bush una dey?
Now you know say now the same place we dey with the Jalil.
Who be Jale?
The one why they kill in neighbor. The one why they kill Bature. They carry Bature go Libya go na my own Ethiopia. They say the one carry.
But na Nigeria be you be na Niger you be.
Me na Nigeria I be.
You be Nigeria. Which state?
Na where state where I dey.
Which state you be? Katsina, be Kano, be
Look
where
at
you
how
be?
he carefully dodged that question. Keep talking rubbish. Did you see it? He refused to answer the state where he came from. Don't be surprised.
Because what I am saying right now, before I finish this video,
or any other,
when this boy was apprehended by the vigilantes that were actively on duty last night, hold on, when they apprehended him, the room they kept him, they decided not to torture him, decided to just like lock him up in a room. Unfortunately for the chairman of the vigilante, most of his diet food, plantain, I think dry plantain and some other things that were there, this boy messed them up, pee on them, practically defecated on all of them. Most of his clothes, most of the things that were there, they messed them up. And this boy is saying right now that no matter what they do to him, he is never going to confess. That they are deeply inside the bush, inside the forest, and that people cannot get there. You now, if they follow you, you feel carry people enter the forest, if you carry people enter the bush, you dey fear now to enter there. So if you go there now, they will kill you quick.
If you are there here, they not go feel. My neighbor they quick come. Kadam the second they go come. Together, if they see me here now, they keep. I know go my call die.
So this thing what una do last night, so it good? I be not good.
Me, no, not be myself. My cow, they want use me.
Okay, they bring you corn, a cow they won't use you can't do before. But all of a sudden now, because they can't carry you and start kidnapping.
They give me this thing.
They give you something in shop.
Fish. No, say me, I know the shop fish. I can't be promised. He can't understand. Me, I don't know, say now, I say he can't. I say, thank God.
So, right now, you people can see, this is one of the kidnappers in Anegbete. Because of, they had to bring him out because he messed up the room that he was kept. Thank you very much.
I think, make I talk this one for English. If you be South person, Niger Delta, you still they get problem with Igbo man in terms of insecurity where they for Nigeria, then something is very wrong with you. This video is clear evidence that these people are on assignment. I don't know if you heard what the governor of Benue State said. The same thing has been repeated that the governor, another governor in Plateau State said the same thing. He said that this is no longer Fulani and farmers clash. Fulani herders and farmer clash. This is a genocide. These people have a mission to remove Nigeria from the map of the world and occupy. They want to they want to Fulanize the whole Nigeria. This is their mission. If you want to believe it, fine. If you don't want, keep on supporting us, talking whatever you don't know. I wish and I pray if you say they don't operate, they will meet you. Like as I said, these people now, they say they're deeply in the bush. They can only remain there if the owners of the land keep quiet. Nobody then arrest them. Use this boy, trace them. If the boy says he's not going to take them inside the bush, and he said he even prefer to stay with them there because they are putting video on him. This kind of, when you see this person, no video, send them to somewhere, make him go greet his ancestor. I'm not talking anything, but you know, let him go and greet his, because he will not confess. As he's telling you, look at how bold he is. They kept him in a room. He defecated in a room, messed up the room with all boldness. But when they catch you, they would not do any video. They will just take you, make their money, take your pass, sell your pass. And you guys, when you catch them, you keep making video. They will know where you. I don't know when we should learn this thing. Let's stop all this video and silently dig pit and bury all of them. By the time you keep doing it, they tell you that they are in the bush. In that area they stop. All those Fulani will secretly march inside the bush and take them unaware, bury them there. Rubbish. Please share this video. Let it get to anybody, any doubting Thomas. Share the video. Our governors has failed. The Nigerian leadership has failed. They don't want. They are benefiting from it. Who is bringing God to them? You heard a Fulani man saying, a Fulani man, that the cow does not give birth to gone. That the cow, they only know how to do farming. But it is the government that keep on sending the ammunition. You must have heard that video. So why are you still doubting? Why are the government sponsoring and supporting them? Those governors who are Fulani, they want to take over Nigeria. And they must take over if we keep quiet. Thank you. I remain Joe Vika. Share this video. Bye-bye.